I want to give you a clear message today about the European Zouga Association. I want to say that I no longer recognize or support the ECGA in any way. They are not connected to me, my family, or official Dongguan Zouga Tonglong system. I also want to make something very clear about Chris Butler, known as Kai Feng. He was never appointed by me as a disciple, a teacher, or an official of Zouga. He was never organized in Wafu, Qigong, or anything from me. His route was only simple, administrative, and managed, held to the association, nothing more, and never had permission to speak for me or claim representation for the system. From today, I officially remove my flag, any title, or any honors that were connected with him or with the ECGA. Anyone who continue to use the ECGA name or say they are not the member of the ECGA is not recognized by me or by the official Dongguan Zouga family. Speak in Chinese now. 今日我想講一個清楚嘅信息，關於歐洲周家螳螂總會 ECGA。首先，我要正式講明，我已經唔再承認，亦唔再支持乜嘢叫做 ECGA 呢個組織同我屋企或正宗嘅周家螳螂派螳螂、東江周家螳螂派完全冇關係。第二，我想講清楚關於 Chris Butler 喬峰嘅情況，佢從來冇被我委任嚟做代表，或係入室弟子，或係教師，或者周家螳螂嘅正式任何人物。佢從來冇得到我嘅授權去學畫符，從來冇受過，從來冇跟我學過畫符，亦冇得到我冇學到我嘅氣功，乜嘢都冇學到。None of the things， 冇嘢跟我學到。佢以前嘅工作只係做少量文書同行政幫手，除此之外完全冇其他角色。佢亦冇資格冇權代表我或者代表呢個派系嚟講嘢。由今日開始，我正式收回我嘅旗幟、我嘅稱號，所有我對佢嘅稱號。任何曾經俾佢嘅 ECGA 有關所有嘅榮譽，全部都唔再有效，唔再被承認。如果有人繼續用 ECGA 呢個名，或者話自己係 ECGA 嘅成員，我唔會承認，亦都唔係屬於正宗嘅東江周家螳螂派，我係完全唔會承認。我講呢個信息只係為咗保護真正嘅傳承，令大家清楚明白乜嘢係真，乜嘢係假。多謝大家。I want to say, Chris Butler, his name in Chinese not 喬峰 is a 區峰，唔係喬峰，佢冇橋，佢絕對冇橋，係冇功夫嘅，係叫區峰，唔係喬峰。你啲人冇搞錯。同埋咧，佢乜嘢都冇跟我學到，乜嘢都冇跟我學到。只係得到我兩支旗，我而家取消佢呢兩支旗嘅效用，所以佢乜嘢都冇跟到我嘅。請外界唔好誤會，佢乜嘢都冇嘢跟到我嘅，係咁多啦，多謝。